Hello everyone, welcome to Amlinks Academy classes. I am Amit and today we shall continue the topic syntax. Today we will discuss about our second rule of subject verb agreement and you can say rule of syntax. In this rule we will have subject. We have two subjects but between two subjects some words are given. Okay, so according to what type of subject we write the form of verb, otherwise we choose the form of verb, it will be discussed here. So when two subjects are combined with some certain words, in case the verb is used according to the number of the subject that we have at the second place. So when either or, neither, nor, not only, but also, no, or. We have only nor, otherwise we have as, and so. If these words are given, otherwise any one out of these words is given in the question, then with these words we have two subjects. First subject is put in the first fill in the blanks and the second subject is put in the second fill in the blanks. It means one subject is given before or and another subject is given after or. Same condition we have with nor, same condition we have, but also same condition here also. When or is given in the single form, same with nor, same with is, and same with so. So we have two subjects. Here I am marking 1 or 2. 1 or 2 means at the place of 1 we have first subject, at the place of 2 we have second subject. If such condition is given in the sentence, then use the verb according to the number of second subject. Okay, so if such condition is given, such as either Ravi or his friend is, otherwise are, and we have option is are in the bracket and at the end of the sentence. If such condition is given, then we find or in the sentence. Before or, here we have the Ravi, it is our subject number 1, and here we have the friends, this is our subject number 2. So according to the rule, what is the rule? The rule is subject, otherwise noun, otherwise pronoun, which is given after or and or nor, but also otherwise is, otherwise so. So subject, noun, otherwise pronoun which is given after or nor but also is so. Okay, so according to the subject which is given after these, a verb is used. Okay, so according to the subject, otherwise subject, number. Here you can also write number. So according to noun, number which is given after or no or nor but also is so, a verb is used. So in this sentence we have friends which is after or. According to this subject number we use verb. It is your plural, so we write plural verb, it is are. Now I have one more example. Not only my family members but also was, otherwise were going to change home. So in this example we have not only and but also. So when not only and but also is given, then according to the subject number that we have after these words we use the verb. So with I we write was. So this is the rule of either or, neither, not only but also, or nor, is, so. Okay, now we move on the next rule. Next rule is compound subject. So what is the rule is, when two subjects are given and out of them one is affirmative and another is negative, then verb is used according to the number of affirmative sentence. So what is the rule? When two subjects are given in a single sentence, then one is affirmative and second, otherwise another is negative. Then verb is used according to the number of affirmative sentence. We never goes with negative sense sentence. So here we have an example. What is a wanted not dresses but a new car. So in this example we have two subjects. One is not dresses and second is a car. Here not dresses represent to negativity, so sentence. It is your negative subject which shows negative sentence, and this one is your affirmative, otherwise positive subject. If such condition occurs, here first of all see what is not our subject. It is not our subject. You can't say that what is the subject and according to the number of what I can use verb, because what is not your subject. Then what is your subject? In this sentence the subjects are not dresses and the second is a new car. Not dresses represents to negative subject and a new car represents to affirmative subject. So in the such condition we use the verb according to the number of affirmative subject. So find the number of affirmative subject. If you look at the affirmative subject, there you find that the given subject is singular, and in the negative subject it is subject in the form of plural number. So according to the affirmative sentence which is in singular form, we write in our answer. So this is the rule when compound subjects are given in the question, then we use the verb according to the number of positive sentence, otherwise positive subject. Okay. Now do some exercise. Choose the correct verb and write in given space. a man and woman is otherwise are villager of the village. Okay. The boy and the girl is otherwise are students also. Okay. Slow and study win otherwise wins the race. Neither Geeta nor her parents is otherwise have visited Jaipur. Next is not only teachers but also principal is are absent today. Next, either class or staff are watching the match. Next is principal and peon was otherwise were talking something. rice and curry is otherwise are light food items. So these are the 8 questions out of those topics that we have discussed. So you are said to write the answers and send through the message, otherwise comment box. Thank you.